Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yo-sha and I am your go-to channel for all things real. So today I received an email from Amazon stating that their Amazon Associates program is going to have some changes that go into effect next week, April 21st. Basically saying that some of their fees are going to be changing for the affiliate program. So they sent this email and they said that we have about a week to prepare for these reductions, and I wanted to come here and share this with you all because I know that it will affect many people that have YouTube channels, websites, blogs, and other places where they share their links. And a lot of the categories that were affected are ones that may affect you too. So really quickly, I wanted to let you know, if you are a part of the Amazon Associates program, you have a affiliate link website set up, then this is probably going to pertain to you in some way. A lot of the items that are in the household category, beauty category, pet or groceries, etc., they are now actually going to be at the 1 to 3% rate. So first, I want to say, what the email says. It says, "Hello, associate. We hope you are staying well during this time. We are writing to inform you of upcoming changes to the Amazon Associates Program Operating Agreement, which governs your participation in the Amazon Associates Program. All changes are effective as of April 21st, 2020. Visit the What's Changed page to see a summary of these changes. You can also find the operating agreement, program policies, and fee statement if you'd like to refer to the current pre-change versions." So if you click the link from your email, you'd be able to see what's changed versus what currently is. So basically, the following categories have reduced from 6 or 8% down to 3%. Those are furniture, home improvement, lawn and garden, pet products, pantry, headphones, beauty, musical instruments, business and industrial supplies, outdoors, tools, sports, and baby products. Grocery and Amazon Fresh have reduced to 1%. Amazon Fresh used to be 5%, guys. So to give you all a picture with a number that you can understand, if you had $1, if you had a rate of 5%, then you would be making 5 cents for every dollar that you make in the program. Well, now you'll be making 1 cent for every dollar that you make in the program. If you were making 8%, then you would be making 8 cents per each dollar. If you were making 4%, you'd make 4 cents for each dollar. And if it was 6, you'd be making 6 cents per dollar. So for a beauty influencer, I know a lot of y'all put your links to different hair products and makeup products and beauty blenders and different things that you might be trying. Even shapewear may be considered in that category as well, under sports or beauty, and that's now 3%. So imagine before, if you sold a $100 wig to 50 people, you were going to be making $5 per wig sold, and now you're only going to be making $3. So I wanted to share this with you all just to inform you, let you know that this change is coming. I don't know if it's going to be a temporary change or if this is what it is going to be going forward, but I would love to hear your thoughts on how this is affecting you and your business, your coin, your side hustle. Also, if you are interested in more streams, then please check out the playlist below. I share how I make money online and with my YouTube channel, and there's something in there for everybody. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.